In front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS. From Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, hit Apps, scroll to tap on Default Apps and tap on Home app here. Now to apply your launcher, click on it and wait. Then choose Allow. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to make some changes, go into Launcher Pro app. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, go into Settings again, hit Apps, Default Apps here, Home app, and last but not least, Moto app launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!